Hey guys, welcome back to Daily Dose, and today is day 3. We're in Animal Kingdom. We've just parked up, so we're gonna go walk to the park entrance. But yes, it's day 3, Animal Kingdom day.
I'm wearing my pink
Pink outfit.
girl. But yeah,
Pinky. I'm just wearing grey.
Little Dumbo t-shirt, ready to go animal theme. So nice that it's gonna be what how hot is it?
27 or 28 today degrees. So it's very warm and nice. But yeah, so we're gonna be walking to the entrance. See you in there.
Put your finger on it. Wait.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're in. We're inside the park. Heading straight to Pandora to go on Avatar.
Pandora.
Damn. Where's Mom? Navi's River Jam.
That smells nice.
Smells like. What does it smell like?
I can smell food. Or just plant life. Smells like veg. Looks so pretty. You're showing it.
Like you see the videos, but it never looks the same. So much better in person.
American popcorn.
Yeah, I know.
Welcome aboard, everyone. If your entire party does not fit on the truck, you will be on the next one. Asante Sana boarding. As we say here in Harambee, Safari Guide as we take an adventure through the Harambee Wildlife Reserve. It does tend to get pretty bumpy out there, so please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the truck at all times. Of the forest, they are very good at hiding, very rarely seen, so it's really amazing that we get to see them so up close like this. Now for the bongos, both the males and the females, they do have those horns on their head, and their horns face backwards. That way they can easily maneuver through the brush, just in case a predator is chasing them. They won't get all tangled and stuck. We can find over here. Oh, right on the left, you'll see the Nile hippos in the water there. Now the Nile hippos, when they're fully grown, they weigh about 5,500 pounds. A group of them together is called a bloat. And they do have the ability to hold their breath for up to 8 minutes, which allows them to sink to the bottom of the river, and then they'll run along the bottom, which is what they do instead of swimming. They do have a hard time floating and swimming, so instead they just sink and run. Like to hang out in really big groups like that together. Oh, the baby hippo right here. Look at her, isn't she so cute? She's so small. It's always so fun to see her out and about there. She's only a few months old. Her name is Greta. She's so adorable.
I want it.
A pack of them is usually made up of about 25 dogs, led by an alpha male and an alpha female, who become the main breeding pair of the group. Back there, those are termite mounds. They're as solid and hard as concrete and very useful for a lot of different. The younger one, she's a little bit smaller. Now here in elephant country, you might notice there's a whole bunch of baobab trees like the one we saw earlier, and a lot of watering holes as well. And that's because elephants, they have excellent memory. Since they live in a matriarchal society where the eldest female's in charge, she'll memorize where all the good spots are to find water, and then she'll lead the rest of the herd to it.
How many in my party? Oh, right this way, slide all the way in.
It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. It's a motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you?
Be prepared for the murkiest sky.
Baby, there's more than the lion sleeping tonight. I know we can do better than that.
I think we're gonna need some help from Ben. Kabibi, you and I will sing the Weema ways, and we're gonna need everyone in these two sections to clap along, okay? Like this.
Alright, fine, and Zawani will do the hard part. Alright, I need everyone in our two sections to wave your hands over your head like this. Yeah, that's it.
Are you two ready?
Kabibi, observe.
That's right, we will sing the high part.
You're waving your arms around the head. You do have someone who can help you. Perfect. So, two of you, you're going to do the same thing. Face each other, make a nice big loop, and then look the other direction. This Harvey's coming from the back this time. Okay, Harvey. Here we go. Take two, yeah! Good job. Yeah, we do have, hey, they were treated.
Alright, they are ready. You wanna look this way? There we go. Ready? Let's sing. You've done that part. That was lovely. Yeah. Can you sing? It's like I'm just gonna do a lot of other things. Are you ready? Let's sing.
We've just done a Lion King show.
And the bird show. I love the Lion King show. It was so good. The singing was amazing. And the bird show, that was interesting.
Yeah.
That was smart. So.
I don't know what the bird show's called, but yeah. I didn't take a video of it. What's it called?
Feathered Friends in Flight.
Feathered Friends in Flight.
Yeah, now we're gonna head up to lunchtime. We're gonna find something to eat and then go on our way.
And then yeah, we've got a few other stuff to do like River Rapids, Dinosaur. So I'm trying to think what the other things are.
Avatar. We have to go back to
Oh
Avatar.
yeah, one of the avatars was what? 2 hour wait time almost.
Yeah. I think there's some other little expedition places that we can go on. We've got Rafiki Planet Watch, Animal Reservation. It's Tough to Be a Bug, which is based on Bug's life. So yeah, there's a couple of little things, and we want to go back to Avatar.
Yeah. Well, if we can get to that today, we will. But if not, we'll come back another day and do that one.
Yeah. So first off, food. Lunchtime.
Turn me again. Go down where?
Turn me again.
Turn this thing around then. Turn this thing around. I don't want to go down there. No. Yes. Yes. What drop?
Wrong way. Yeah.
No. No. Yes. 10. Because I know there's a drop now. I thought that was a drop.
We drop round that some man. I want big drop enough.
What? Yes! 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 Shame! Oh good. Yes. Bye. Oh man! You wet? Freezing. Oh my days. We're now back at the hotel room.
Yeah.
We've kind of cut today a little bit short because we want to go to the mall.
Yeah, we're gonna head over to the mall. We're gonna go Walmart to get some bits. Andrew's dad's leaving tomorrow, so he's helping us out, taking us to the mall.
Yeah, that's the mall. Yeah, he's going to the mall and Walmart
to get some bits.
Then we're gonna go to Bubba Gump and get some shrimp.
Yes, Bubblegum Shrimp.
So
I like that place. It's nice. Got nice different type of it's like a fish bar, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
different shrimps and salmon, things like that.
So yeah, I'll probably take a couple of snaps at the mall and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed Animal Kingdom. That was like really good.
Yeah, that's our first day. We're going to go back, redo all the parts, all the stuff that we haven't done.
Yeah.
Bits we want to redo.
As you can see, we got drenched by that flipping. What's it, rapids? That's how wet it got. I was like, I can't think.
Cali River Rapids.
Yeah, that was. We didn't expect to get that wet, but yeah, that was jokes. We're gonna,
I really liked it. I'm gonna go back.
Yeah, we're gonna do that again.
I love water roads, so.
So yeah, so as I said, I'm gonna throw a couple snaps in maybe when we go to the mall and stuff. But other than that, yeah, we'll see you later.
Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So after I think we told you we left the parks, we left Animal Kingdom, and then we went to the mall. Bought some trainers. Should we show them the trainers?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the clothes.
Oh yeah, bought clothes. Andrew bought a jacket, and I bought.
Where is it? Oh, you got it.
I bought some trainers.
Hello.
I bought some Nikes. Some Nike trainers.
Damn.
You know, the shoes that you can't get in the UK that are nice and diverse and different, so. Yeah, I got some trainers, and then Andrew got some.
I got a jacket. I just liked it because it was shiny.
Yeah, you got a nice jacket from one of those. I don't even know what they're called. Outlet shops.
Yeah, it's a random shop. I don't know what it was. It just had jerseys and stuff.
Yeah, they had like American jerseys, snapbacks, jeans, stuff like that. It was like a little kind of a guy shop. Yeah, he got that.
That's me.
To add to his jacket collection. And then also we got loads of little snacks. We went to Walmart afterwards, after the mall. And then we got all this. So yeah, we just got some stuff. Because we're spending quite a lot of bit at the park and stuff. So previously we've been having breakfast at the hotel. But those were only for a couple of nights. Now we decided to just go Walmart and then get some bits. So we've got some like pastry bits, we've got cereal, things like that. Stuff we could do in the room because we've got a fridge and a microwave. So yeah, some like, little noodle things, like snacky stuff.
Yeah, these noodles are nice. I'm obsessed with these sweets.
Yeah, crisps, got some donuts.
Obviously something to take home. Did you
Yeah,
say
the
that?
crisps, these stuff are to kind of take back with us. We don't get these flavours in the UK. And then we just got some water, some juice. And then we also got some juice for the park as well. Andrew got his fruit punch high C, and I've got some apple juice.
My favourite drink.
Because it's so expensive in the park. You get like, you pay $5 for like a fat large drink. You know, American drinks are massive, but it's super big and you don't end up finishing it. So you spend $5 and you don't even get to drink half of it because it's so much. So we thought for the last couple of days or whatever, we go back, we just bring our own kind of juices and stuff and water. But yeah, some things that obviously this is our Walmart trip, so if we'll take advantage of it and get stuff that will be convenient, so spending $5 per drink, where we could just get freaking 98 cents or $1.
Plus tax.
Yeah,
tax is annoying.
$1 or whatever, $1, $2 drink cartons of drinks, and just take that with us. Yeah, because it's a drink that we like. But yeah, if we wanted to get a drink, we can, but it's just convenient to have drink with you and water. So yeah, we've got a couple of bits. Main things are breakfast that we needed, and
we good. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog, guys.
Yeah.
Animal Kingdom done. We'll probably be going back next week.
We need to get Avatar done because of the queue was ridiculous. It was like over a 90-minute wait. So yeah, we need Avatar to do, and Tough Bug Show,
and to go Rapids again.
Yeah, and Rapids again, and Dino Land. So there's couple of stuff we need to do still in Animal Kingdom, but tomorrow is Hollywood, so yeah.
They want me to go on Tower of Terror, and I don't like it.
That's gonna be an experience, but yeah, we need to have a relaxing evening, just chill. So park opens at 9, so we're gonna be up early. Up around 6, getting washed, showered, everything, eating breakfast, and then out of here.
The usual.
Yeah, the usual, and then ready to go to the park and make sure we're there before opening. And yeah, so
thank you guys for watching today's vlog.
Thank you guys for watching. So yeah, there was a bit of a mix between park and a bit of shopping. So yeah, it was just nice to be out and about. But tomorrow will be a new day, and it will be Hollywood. So more rides, more experiences,
more fun.
But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know down below as well what else you'd like to see. If you have any questions or anything that you'd like to know, that'd be great for you guys to put down below. So we'll see you in the next video. So love y'all.
Peace.
Now or forever, us two together, boy, I'm gonna die with